Recording.
Okay. I'm out here drinking in the woods with Eddie in North Jersey. God, I hate Jersey.
And
Anyway.
singing out of a fucking gas can.
Yes. Hold on. And this fucking thing disappeared again. Get that fucker back on. And he wants me to sing and make a fool out of myself, so I'm going to do it again because, well...
And here he is.
I'm singing into a gas can.
Because he's a weirdo.
Fuck you, Eddie. This is how it happens when you drink with Eddie. Scarecrow on a wooden cross, blackbird in the barn. 400 empty acres that used to be my farm. Grew up like my daddy did, my grandpa cleared this land. When I was 5, I walked the fence while grandpa held my hand. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. How this land fed a nation, this land made me proud. And son, I'm just sorry there's no legacy for you now. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. The crops we grew last summer were not to be alone. Couldn't buy the seed to plant this spring. Farmers bank foreclosed. Come on, old friendship and all talks on the land. Said John is just no John, and I hope you understand. They call it your job, oh heart, sure don't make it right. If you want me to, I'll say a prayer for your soul tonight. Rain on the front porch with the Bible in her hand. Sometimes I hear the singing, take me to the promised land. You take me in, dignity, you take these fields and clouds. There'll be blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. It's wireless. Long music break.
What's Scott doing?
So I was born and raised in Jersey City, New Jersey. There's 97 crosses planted in the courthouse yard. 97 families lost 97 farms. Well, I think about my grandpa, my neighbors and my name. Some nights feel like dying. But that scarecrow in the rain, rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. How this land fed a nation, this land made me proud. And son, I'm just sorry, there's just memories for you now. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Oh my God. Woo! Getting hot. This land made me proud. Oh, I'm fucking worried about it. Memories for you now. Blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Blood on the scarecrow, blood on the plow. Ha! Oh, somebody called. Turn it up.
Loud as it goes.
It's over. I'm fucking high from this gas, bro.